welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this particular station over here. So let's continue modeling this elements over here. So now what I'll be doing over here, I'll be just creating something basic stuff over here for the base. So I can just slightly push it up and I'll go over here and I can group it if needed. I can just group this. Let's isolate this over here. Let's create a box in this way. So just shuffle this up over here. So I'll just end isolate this, select this, isolate this stuff over here. So let's go into this and convert to poly. So I'll just drag it up. So make sure you are putting this in line over here. So I'll just resize this in this way. Let's give some connect over here. I'll select the vertices, drag it over here, select the polygons, so I'll just slightly drag it down. So I'm not going to go with very high details over here. So we are going to do with the basic stuff over here. Like this. So we can just create it very basic stuff over here. Enable in viewport, make it as rectangular, reduce its height over here in this way. Let's just push this up. So just select this and this, just drag it up. We'll go with some basic details. Select this again. Let's give some connect over here and extrude it up. So let's go into this. Let's take a cylinder over here. I'll just push it down, drag it over here. So just shuffle it in this way. So barely it's going to be visible. So if it is not going to be visible much, we can just create it normally. Just drag it down. So convert to poly, select the polygons, give a bit of inset, bevel it, now let's take a swift loop, and if you need you can just select this, ring it, click on this, extrude it by local normal and click OK. So we can just select this and let's mirror it, copy it in y-axis, just put it in this way, and let's go over here, let's take a cylinder over here, so just drag it inside, so increase its height, now so convert to poly, so select the edges and let's give chamfer, click OK. We can just duplicate it in this way. Alright. So let's select this and let's duplicate it over here as well. So that can be done in this way. So I'll just select it, I can just place it in this way, I can just place it in this way. Now we can just shuffle it over here, select it, select this, select it, select this, so once it is done, we can just duplicate it if needed. I can just make a copy of it in this way. So let's select the polygons. So you need to ungroup it if needed. So I'll again go over here, let's select this, let's go over here, let's put one swift loop, select the polygons, so I can just exclude this stuff. So just extrude that part out a bit, this way if needed. Alright, so we can add some details over here. So let's just give some connect if needed. Over here we'll keep it as it is and isolate this. So I can just select this part, you can just group this. So select the whole thing. So let's just select this as well. We can just group that. Oops, we missed out this tire. So again group it. So you get the multiple groups over here. We do have the wire extension here as well, but these are bogies over here. So we can just make the copies of it in this way. So just select this, again go over here, let's take one more copy. Alright. So let's just select this element again. So I'll again go into the material, I'll just assign one material again over here for this. So we have assigned it for the bogies over here. Alright. I'll take some other reference over here. Just save the file once. Can make some details if required on the top. So you can just push this up, shuffle it a bit up over here. So convert to poly. So select this and this. Let's give a bit of inset. Let's give bridge. So let's again go back to the top view. I'll go over here, make it as radial, drag it down and let's make the copy of it. All right. So let's just end isolate this again. We can just push this up if required. I'll just drag this down. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll mostly start up with the texturing part over here, mostly in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.